we're gonna see what this foundation really is like. So this is the new Makeup Forever HD Skin Hydra Glow Foundation. So I received this a couple of days ago. As you can see, it's a really nice kind of press pack, and I really wanted to kind of like just show you guys what it's like. So we've got two foundations in here, and I am part of the Makeup Forever tribe, which is basically a whole load of pro makeup artists in the region that help them to kind of test out products when they're about to come out. Not all the time, but sometimes. So every year we have this really amazing event that they hold, and we're very kind of involved with products that haven't been released yet and give them our feedback, and they actually genuinely take it on board. This one we haven't been involved with, as far as I remember anyway. I didn't manage to make it to the last one because I was sick, but we've got it now. This possibly could have been at that event, because usually there are loads of like kind of new releases that haven't released yet at those events. So I really want to try this and see what this is like. I don't have anything on my face other than my skincare. I do have my brows and eyes done, but everything else is off. No foundation, no concealer. And I've got two shades here that they've sent. They usually know my kind of shade anyway. So they've sent me 1N14 and 2N26. I feel like the warmer one is mine. So I'm gonna open this up, and it's in their like kind of glass bottle like it normally is. We've got their foundation brush, which is, well, looks really nice. This is 118, and it's like this really nice kind of like teardrop shape foundation brush, which is pretty cool. I guess that's good for like, yeah, going under the eyes. Now it has a little barcode here, and it says scan. So let me scan this and see where this takes me. And it has this weird gadget inside, so I'm interested to see. Ooh, does this tell me my skin type? This is pretty cool. Okay, let's see. Or maybe he says it in English. Or it's got subtitles, so let me just go ahead. It's available in 32 shades. It's medium coverage. It's rich with skincare ingredients. 24 hours hydration, glowy and flawless skin. You can use a sponge to apply it too, by the way, but they're suggesting you use it with the brush. Also, there are 9 different shades in the setting powder. I've got 2 here. I love the packaging because it's nice and kind of like bulky. Ah, okay. So this little device here tells you your skin hydration. And what they're saying is basically test it before and test it after applying the foundation too. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this because I have no skincare on. So let's see what this is like. So I'm gonna put it here. What's it doing? It's working its magic. 32%? 32% moisture. Okay, let's do it here. I feel like it's different in different areas, right? 39% there. It's usually a little bit where I break out. Okay. I just want to try this in all different areas now. Hold on. 10% there. Let's try forehead. %. Okay. It's roughly around, okay, I don't have much hydration then. %. Okay, now let's try this after I've put the foundation on. So first thing I'm gonna do is apply this foundation with my brush. I'm gonna put it on the back of my hand, a really nice warm color. And I'm gonna go ahead and apply this. Ooh, it's a nice finish. I really like this. So it has skincare ingredients in here to really kind of help hydrate your skin. If you feel like you're getting value from this video, then please do hit the thumbs up button because it genuinely does help my channel out a lot and I truly appreciate it. If you want to see more videos like this, then hit the subscribe button and also the bell button so that you're notified every time a new video drops. And don't forget, I'm on all of the social media platforms listed below. They're also in my description along with links and also some amazing discount codes from my favorite makeup brands just for you. Thank you so much for your support. Now let's get back to this video. Okay, I like the color. I like the way it's applied. It's definitely feeling hydrating. Let me go ahead and now try it. 40%. Okay, so what they're basically saying is try this before and after, and your moisture level is going to go up after you've applied it. So, okay, yeah, it has. But I mean, I'm guessing that's going to get better over time. That's a really good gadget to actually keep. So I think that's a great idea. So yeah, that basically is the foundation. What I'm going to do is just apply a tiny bit of concealer on my under eye so we can get a whole kind of like finished look. I'm just going to apply my NARS Ginger Concealer because I don't have another one lying around here. I'm going to grab my powder ready. So this is Undetectable Shine Control. I don't know how different this is from their original powder that I use, which is this one. Let's see. I'm guessing I might notice a difference in texture and everything. This is Corrective Banana. So, oh, it's got a puff in here. Perfect. So let me, I'm going to buff this in quickly. I am going to go over that concealer with a little bit of this foundation because I don't like the concealer to be so disconnected. I do like the foundation. It is super, super light and just feels very hydrating on the skin. Okay, I've got my sponge and I like the powder. It's a very different kind of packaging to the previous one. Okay, I'm just going to swirl it around in this powder. Put this all over. Just gonna get a small brush to dust it off with. I feel like this powder feels a little bit more velvety to the original one. I'll have to try this, you know, like on my other foundation too, to really kind of like see what the difference is. I do like it though. It is a really nice kind of finish to the whole look. I'm just going to add a bit of bronzer so I can really see what this looks like when it's all finished. Very nice foundation, guys. Just a quick bit of lip pencil. What do you think, guys? What do you think of this foundation? I personally really like it. It looks very hydrating on the skin, kind of glowing as well without looking overly glowing. And I've set it with powder. I do like the feel of it. The powder feels a bit more velvety to me, so I am going to go and find out, get in touch with the team and find out what the difference between this and the other one that I'm currently using is, because I would love to know. You know, is it a difference in the texture and the actual product, or is it just the packaging difference? What is it? I mean, it says new, so there's something different about it, but I want to find out what that is exactly. So yeah, I actually really like this. It is very kind of like healthy looking skin. This foundation does also help to control your shine as well, which is really good. So it gives you that kind of nice glowing finish to your skin. Very light coverage, but at the same time I feel like it's giving me the coverage that I kind of need. And if I need any extra coverage, usually I go for concealer, and usually that extra coverage that I need is kind of under the eye area. But I'm really happy with this, and I think it's something that you guys might want to try as well. I would 100% recommend this if you want a very light coverage foundation, which gives you everything you need and makes your skin look healthy, but not overly heavy. It definitely doesn't look heavy on the skin. My skin actually looks really healthy and really good, and it doesn't look like I've got a lot on. I want to check one last time, now that I've got this powder on. Did I put it on? Okay, now it's on. $39. Okay, so it's only gone down a little bit after putting that powder on. Interesting little device that is. Definitely going to keep that and try that on a day that my skin's feeling super tight, just to see what the difference is. So yeah, that is my little review of these new products. Head out and check them out. I think you're going to absolutely love the foundation. I'm going to get back to you about this powder and find out, because I really want to know what the difference is. But other than that, I'm sending you loads of love wherever you are in the world. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button so that you never miss any of my future videos. Until the next video, take care, and I'll see you soon.